So what is Fiverr? Well, it's a site where you can go to outsource a lot of things. But what makes Fiverr different from other freelance websites is that you can offer all types of services on here if you're looking to make money on Fiverr. For example, aside from just offering technical services such as programming and website building, you could also offer services such as impersonating celebrities and doing pranks to just drawing cartoons. Here, let's take a look at some of the categories on here. So you have graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle. Let's take a look at music and audio. So just taking a look here, there's voiceovers, mixing and mastering, jingles and drops. Now, if you're not talented musically, let's just go back here. Let's go to the lifestyles category, just to show you that you don't really need any talent or skills. I mean, there's something here for everybody. If you're looking to make money, you can provide a service on here that doesn't really require much skill. So there's relationship advice, arts and crafts, astrology and reading, spiritual and healing, greeting cards, collectibles, family, celebrity impersonators, gaming. Okay, so let's say you're into gaming. So let's just click on this. Okay, so there's people offering coaching services, help you out with your gaming. Let's go to family. Okay, so there's people offering to research your genealogy and your family tree. Someone here is offering to guest post in their baby and mom blog. And someone here is offering 187 English worksheets for 3 to 5-year-old kids. And now what's interesting about this is that they probably already have these prepared and it's just being automatically delivered to their customers. So not much work is required for this one. They're just basically selling a product. And here's someone offering to transcribe your historical documents. Okay, let's go back. There's someone offering online lessons such as guitar lessons. Let's go here, last one. Your message on. So you could just write a message. Let's take a look here. I will be your female model for your product or brand. And here's someone's offering to write your name or logo on 4 coffee cups. And someone offering to hold a sign with your message or logo. And here's someone offering to deliver a message as Boatman. Okay, so you probably get the idea. There is a wide variety of services that you can offer on Fiverr. Another interesting thing about Fiverr is that when it first opened to the public, the services on here were $5. Basically, you were offering $5 services. And now you could charge more than $5, even the hundreds and I think even thousands of dollars. And what's great about Fiverr is that there are now people earning 6 figures a year selling on Fiverr.